Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change administrator account on Windows 11. And for this we go to the search bar and we search here for users. Then right now we click here on other users, and from now you have your screen just right here. I just created a local account, and if you don't have any idea how to do that, please check out a other video that I created on my channel how to do this. But if you have a local account or maybe 2 or 3 local accounts, then this is the setting that you need. Because from now, if you click here on the arrow on your account, you see here account options and account and data. Then from now, what we want to do is we click here on change account type. And then right now you have here the option to change it to standard user or to change it to administrator. Then if you choose administrator, then click on OK. And right now you change administrator account on Windows 11 because now this is my administrator account. I just have one account, but if you have multiple accounts just standing right here, you can do it exactly on the same way as I did. And this is how it works. So from now, hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.